This is Career Conversations.
We have access to lots and lots of amazing technology and having the ability to share that with students. We also work heavily with local industry.
My father works as a gunsmith, so machining was a big thing with us, searching to see what schools were in the area, what offered machining courses, and I found BCTC.
I really work to have collaborative learning where students are learning from instructors and instructors are also learning from students. We'll learn blueprint reading, metrology. On the practical side, out here in the shop, we start with very basic hand tools, manual milling machines and lathes.
It lets me think critically when it comes to problem solving. I can take a look and see how things are put together.
It's really one of those fields that, depending on what you want to do, you can just take it as far as you want to take it.
Career Conversations from Bluegrass Community and Technical College. College for the real world. College for your world.